The Law Society team, led by its president Isaac Okero, was confident it would convince 9 out of the 11 JSC commissioners. The Chief Justice and Supreme Court Judge Smoking Wanjala did not attend the session since they are presiding over the matter before the Supreme Court. On the table was a plan that would see the two senior judges retire in a manner that, quote, saves the stature and dignity of the Supreme Court. That plan would have seen the Deputy Chief Justice remain in office until 31st of December this year. Rawal would have therefore served as acting Chief Justice, with the expected retirement of Chief Justice William Mutunga mid this month until his successor is appointed. Rawal would have thereafter retired with full benefits and pension as if she had worked until the age of 74. For Justice Tunoi, who is now 72, he would have been allowed to continue serving as a judge until the tribunal probing bribery allegations against him reaches a verdict. For close to 2.5 hours, the JSC, chaired by Professor Margaret Kobia, deliberated on the proposals in the presence of LSK and for longer moments without them. At one point, JSC lawyers too had to leave the meeting room to allow independent decision-making. Eventually, the verdict was to dismiss the LSK proposals in their entirety, with the reasoning that the Commission does not have the jurisdiction to extend the tenure and retirement age of any judge. JSC adds that the Rawal and Tunoi matters have already been heard and determined by a total of 12 judges, all of whom agreed on the constitutional retirement age of 70. Though beaten, the LSK chair and his team emerged confident that the talks would still continue.
The weekend is long. I still need to have further meetings with the parties involved. There will be more to be said at the conclusion of this weekend on Monday morning. And that is all I can say for now. I have to remain positive, but we'll wait and see how it goes.
With the neutrality of 5 judges of the Supreme Court being questioned, the matter could now head to full hearing come Monday. The LSK team could convince the 2 judges to withdraw their appeals and proceed on retirement. As of this afternoon, Justice Tunoi was still at his office. Sam Gituko for Citizen Weekend.
Good, so we'll meet again.